Hey everyone, I'm Elaine and I'm here to help you play saxophone better. Today we're going to talk about an exercise to get better at our low register. In fact, if you're just starting out, you've probably noticed that it's very difficult to play the low notes. They either don't come out or they will come out an octave above where you want them to. So what we're going to do is explore a way of progressively playing lower. We'll play 3 notes at a time and we'll go chromatically down, and we're going to use dynamics to help exercise this register. So we're going to make a crescendo throughout the first 2 notes, landing on the 3rd note, the lowest note, at our maximum volume. We're going to hold that note for as long as we can. So here we go. Turn on the metronome. We'll do 3 beats in each measure, 3 notes. Let's try it. We will continue down the instrument till we get to the bottom. So let's start from F sharp down to E. And play that long note as long as you can hold it. We can continue this. We'll go F down to E flat. We'll go continue down E to D. Now we'll do E flat to C sharp. We'll continue D to C natural. Now we'll do C sharp to B. Now at this register, these very low notes, that's about as long as I can hold it, is 4 bars of 3/4. This is approximately 96 beats per minute. We'll do the last one, C down to B flat. Okay, so that's playing this exercise with just a crescendo.